Guys, this is my second shopping in Kids Station. And look at the huge napkin. This is marshmallow. Is it just pink or peppermint? Wait a second. That's peppermint. This is just pink. Oh. So there's a Blume. The thing is, they will be like this. It has a watering can in here. And they'll be just like this. There is a huge hatching one just like the one that's upstairs. LOL. Ooh, the na-na-na. You like blow them or something like that.
What is na-na-na?
Oh, you will like get this. It's not beautiful, so. More na-na-na series. Oh, Shopkins. Hey guys, this is just like mine. The bunny's hat. Remember which one do we get? Guys, I picked this one and I'm totally gonna use my own money. It has a watering can in the heart. So the thing is, you
Watering
like,
cannon?
yeah, here you can see it, and it will grow. But we need to take some time. Well, we take some time.
What's the name of this?
Blume.
Blume.
And it takes some time. Well, we take some. Guys, I just get this Blume and watering can, so you might wait. While we wait, we can like play our tiny Shopkins.
We will unboxing at home.
Oh yeah, I hope I get this one. See you later. Guys, we just get home and I got my Shopkins here. I forgot her name again. This is Bonnie Bun. I still remember. Chefy Bun and Baba Bun, I guess. Yeah. And Froa. I bet so, I guess. And now we're gonna open the Blume. There's a watering can. Okay. Starts from here. It's kind of so hard. Oh, there we go.
Blume I, where outrageous grows. Collect all 22. Add water and see who blooms. Wild hair that grows.
Watering can.
Includes doll with mix and match accessories.
Oh yeah.
Just add water, a new friend will bloom before your eyes. Let's see guys, let's unboxing it.
Guys, I just open it and see. Eggs. Here's some water.
Wow, there's some water cans.
That's funny. Ooh, let's open it. So let's peel to reveal. Yikes! Ooh, a sticker.
A sticker?
Yeah.
Wow.
I bet you like. How do you do this? I don't want to open this part more.
Here's the character, guys.
Yeah, there's
Sky,
a pineapple.
Gemma, Cleo, Kit,
Oh,
Lola,
this pineapple.
Poppy, Sierra,
Lola,
Roxy, Reese. So
oh,
many.
I like this.
So which one do you got? Do you think which one
Crash
you get,
Towel.
Leia?
I do not know. I hope I got.
Let's
Oh,
see.
that's it.
So this is how you do it. First, remove pink label. Lepaskan label pink. Fill with water. Sprinkle water evenly. And then, what is this? If doll blooms slowly, add more water. And then remove doll.
The sixth one is pop up.
Push in, then down. Remove ring and open. And that's all. And then you'll get a cute doll. Okay. And this pink paper.
Yeah.
This one. And then we got this brownie paper. And then you just fill it with water.
Yeah.
More and more and more.
What? No more.
Oh, okay, you need more
What?
water.
It's
Oh, oh, it's blooming! Oh my gosh, this is real. Oh, no, wait. So you need more water.
I'm coming.
It's saying if it grows slowly, then you need more water. Oh, guys, this is so
I can see it.
exciting.
Wait, let's check the checklist.
Is it still growing?
Wait. Oh, we might got this one because it's pink. Which one is more pinky?
Yeah, I
guess
think you got this one. Yeah, we
Yeah.
see from the hair, you got Kemi. Let's put more water to see it.
It's because I want more water, so let's put it. Be careful.
Oh, watch out!
It's not. Oh.
Oh,
Ah!
it's growing again.
It's growing.
It's pop out. Can you take it? Is it already?
Oh yeah, we did get this
Oh,
one.
that's so cute. Can we see it?
Let's put more water.
Oopsie. Daisy. Oh,
Pop.
I think you just take it out.
Yeah. So, let's take it.
Yay! Which baby
Wait.
do you get?
Her hair is smushy. I bet this
So-
one.
It's Kemi.
Cammy and
Cammy.
her surprise.
Oh, there's also another surprise inside.
Yes, but we might want to open this.
Kemi. While Naya is opening the can, we'll see Kemi. Oh, Kemi has no dress. Kemi,
Yeah.
I think there's a dress inside the can.
Because there is.
Ooh. We'll wait.
Okay, guys, Okay? Okay, guys, I'm with my cousin, and here's the doll. Let's open it.
Oh, let's open it. What's inside?
Open this one.
Oh.
Ah, it's sticky. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, I was right. A flower.
Yeah.
It's a flower.
A flower?
Oh, open this big
What
one.
flower?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh! Look at it. Yeah.
What else?
I don't know. But we got a shoes. Look at.
Oh, it's a dress. And
Oh,
what
this
else for-
mystery. What is it? I bet it's the clothes.
It's shoes.
Ah! A gymnastic.
And this is our
Gymnastic.
shoes.
Yes.
Oh.
Shoes.
Shoes.
Clothes. Wait, let me check this.
Can you put the shoes on?
Maybe?
Oh no, this is not gymnastic. This is a bag, a tiny bag.
Maybe it could be for like a
And it can be
gymnastic.
for her house.
Kim's
See,
house.
After you open
Oh, wait.
the can,
Could I
you
order
get
this?
some surprise.
Yeah. Let's put this here.
You put the dress on and then the shoes and then you see the hair is just like a flower.
It's so squishy.
It's a squishy, yeah. Squishy mushy.
Yeah. We
Okay.
put. Now just need the clothes.
Dress.
And
Is this
oh, that's a Shopkin.
That's a Shopkin
Oh,
mini
wanna
house.
how it works? Okay, we got her dressed up,
yes, dress up. And
and we got her flower, her partner.
yes.
Oh, you already dressed her up?
Yeah, look at
See?
this.
Kemi has a new dress, short pants and then
Word pad.
a t-shirt.
And this is for pad.
That's a pad. Oh, maybe it's under. Oh no way.
Is this for
No.
this?
No.
It's a pad.
I got my Shopkins there. This in here.
Yes,
This is the new house of Kemi, and this is the Shopkin mini house. Okay, it's all done.
Well, we can like put the sunflower here. You can put everywhere, like wherever you want. Like you can put this. Okay, guys, I think this has all enough for today. So bye.
Bye. Thank you, Naya. Thank you,
Bye,
Aya.
guys.